Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Before we start the class, please reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
First, let me check attendance first. Deviana,
I'm here.
Faisal,
I'm here.
Farida.
I'm here.
Okay. Today we will learn about explanation text. We learn about explanation text. Do you know explanation text?
No.
Explanation text is a text which explain how and why phenomenon happens. It includes both natural and social phenomena. Jadi explanation text adalah teks yang menjelaskan suatu teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana dan mengapa sesuatu terjadi. Biasanya menjelaskan tentang fenomena alam ataupun sosial. Type of explanation text. First, sequential explanation. Example, how seawater becomes salty, and consequential explanation or cause and effect. Example, why people feel sleepy after a meal. This is language features. First, use simple present tense and sequential collective action verb and passive voice. This structure of explanation text. General statement, explanation sequence, and conclusion. Conclusion optional. In general statement, berisi pengenalan atau gambaran awal tentang fenomena yang akan dijelaskan. Explanation text bagian inti yang menjelaskan proses terjadinya fenomena atau sebab akibat. Ini perbedaan antara explanation text dan procedure text. Kalau explanation, how or why something happens. General structure, general statement, and explanation. Kalau procedure text, structure-nya goal, material, and steps.
Okay, I want to give you example.
Siapa yang mau baca ini?
Saya.
Ya, siapa itu? Silakan.
How rain happens. Rain is a natural process that happens when water in the atmosphere gathers and falls back to the earth. This process is part of the water cycle, which repeats again and again. First, the sun heats water in oceans, lakes, and rivers. When the water becomes warm, it changes into vapor. vapor and rises into the air. This process is called evaporation. Next, when the water vapor moves higher, the air becomes cooler. The water vapor then turns back into tiny drops of water. This process is called condensation, and the drops from clouds, so that the drops inside the clouds join together and become heavier. When they are too heavy to stay in the clouds, they fall to the earth as rain. This process is called precipitation. In conclusion, rain happens through a cycle of evaporations, condensations, and precipitation. This cycle helps provide fresh water for living things on Earth.
Thank you, Mas Robin.
You're welcome, ma'am. Bisa?
Miss.
Yes, Anda.
Teks ini menjelaskan tentang apa?
Hujan hebat.
Hujan.
Bagaimana bisa terjadi? Yang paragraf pertama menunjukkan generic structure apa? Oh, general statement. Oke, kalau yang explanationnya bagian mana?
First.
Sampai
Precipitation.
precipitation. Oke. Terus
I have any questions?
Read the passage carefully. Kelihatan?
Kelihatan.
Yes.
Besar sih. Please. Nah. Sudah.
Baca ini dan pahami isi dari teks tersebut. Ya. Jadi Oke, sudah. Sekarang jawab pertanyaan berikut berdasarkan teks di atas tadi. Explain how evaporation happens. Jelaskan bagaimana evaporasi terjadi.
When the sun hits the water in the sea, it changes into gas called water vapor as the air. Baca yang keras.
Dibaca yang keras. Devi. Mbak Devi.
When the sun hits the water in the sea, it changes into gas called water vapor and releases into the air through a process called evaporation.
Okay, good. How does condensation have from clouds? Clouds.
Cloud, kan?
Yang mana yang kedua?
Yang itu. Well,
yang
I
mana?
think the air forming cloud through the process called condensation. Ya nggak sih?
Oke, benar. Yang ketiga, why does rain contain small amounts of mineral salts?
Because the mineral salts are dissolved from the rocks which then because rainfall from the sky contain carbon dioxide.
Water,
Itu tadi
Dioxide
main
which
the main soal
Selain
there
dari acid.
Yang mana?
itu karena ketika yang akhir the acid can absorb small amount of mineral salt including sodium chloride
Sodium and
from the rock.
chloride.
Yang bawah itu nah tuh
Oh,
Okay, selanjutnya, which part of the process explain how seawater becomes salty?
salty acid third paragraph
Yang mana?
bagian mana yang bisa membuat si water itu menjadi acid suara sendiri
Yang mana? The rainwater flows on the land and into the rivers, traversing stream that lead all the way to the sea, bring the dissolved salt along with it that makes the seawater salty. Okay, and last, how do dissolved mineral salt reach the sea? How?
how to dissolve from the rock.
how do dissolved mineral salt reach the sea the rainwater flow of the land and into the river stream that lead the way to the sea, carrying the dissolved salt along with the making seawater salty.
Okay, benar. Okay, today, what learned today? Explanation text. Explanation text itu apa sih?
Teks yang
Menjelaskan
sesuatu
apa
apa tuh Pak Adik Pak?
Bagaimana?
Bagaimana sesuatu terjadi?
Nah,
Ya, benar.
How something
Generic structure-nya apa aja?
general statement,
explanation,
explanation, sama
conclusion.
conclusions.
Language teacher.
simple present,
Simple present, action verb,
Yes.
connective,
Yes, terus?
action verb, passive voice.
Nah, passive voice. And I will give you homework. Please write explanation text sesuai dengan kejadian alam yang ada di sekitar kalian.
Berapa nih?
3 paragraf. 3 paragraf. 3 paragraf. That's all for today. Yeah. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.